All right, so I'm gonna do a video from a different year. This is 1985. So I'm gonna continue my what was it called? Um, I am gonna continue my Westall UFO incident from Australia. I'm going to do another part, at least one more part of that soon. And I'm also going to do some more Atwater, Ohio UFO incident videos too. I was just going to taking a quick break from that. And now I'm gonna do a case from a whole new year that I haven't done yet, and this is from the Atlantic Ocean, midway between Canada and Iceland. Iceland. This is a mass sighting because the number of observers were 17. The duration was for 30 minutes. So. See what we got here. Flashing lighted object observed by an E-3A AWACS crew over the mid-Atlantic. Okay. Midway between Canada and Iceland at 31,000 feet altitude. Wait. Okay. Midway between Canada and Iceland at 31,000 feet altitude, we observed an object that was continually flashing from red to green to white. I would have estimated the initial contact to be about 75 miles off the nose of our aircraft. So they were in an aircraft, and the object was about 75 miles off the nose of their aircraft, and at approximately the same altitude. 75 miles? Wait. Okay. We were unable to pick up this object on our in-flight radar, which had a range of over 500 miles. Oh, the object stayed at off our nose for about 20 minutes before rising to what I would have guessed to be over 70,000 feet in altitude. Okay. So it rose a pretty good distance there. It then came to a position almost directly over our aircraft. Oh, wait. From above. It stayed in this position for about 10 minutes before it took off in an easterly direction at what I would have estimated to be over 70,000 feet in altitude. I was the pilot on that particular flight. Oh, wow. At the time, I had over 3,000 hours of flight time, mostly in jet aircraft. There were 17 other people on the aircraft who witnessed the same object. I did not learn of your reporting facility until I started listening to Art Bell, Coast to Coast. I'm sorry my report could not have been more timely. So, okay. So they were in an aircraft as well at 31,000 feet in the Atlantic Ocean. So So this craft was 75 miles off the nose of their aircraft. So 75 miles away from their craft? Can you see that far in an aircraft? Like, how? I don't quite understand that. We were unable to pick up this object on our in-flight radar, but they could see the object. Okay. And then it rose. It rose over them about 70,000 feet to about 70,000 feet or over that. And it took off in an easterly direction at over 70,000 feet in altitude. This was a pilot. Wow, that's crazy. See here. All right, so it says here the type of aircraft I was following was an E-3A AWACS aircraft. This was a military aircraft with airborne radar and surveillance capabilities. It has a crew of 17, all of whom witnessed the same object. We should have been able to pick the object up on our in-flight radar, which was fully functional at the time we saw the object. We tried to make a report when we landed in Iceland, but no one in our debriefing knew how or whom to report such an incident. Okay. Well, thought that was an interesting little report there from over the Atlantic Ocean in 1985. So that's interesting. So yeah, that will be that report. I wonder what this thing was. Oh, did he said it had lights on it, huh? The shape was, well, he said it was a light. Flashing lighted object. It was an object that was continually flashing from red to green to white. Huh. Okay, I wonder what that was. Just a mysterious object, I guess. So that is the report. I hope you find it interesting. I definitely did. And I will be back with more UFO content shortly.